Hey, what's going on? My name is Paolo Barroso and I am a full-time internet marketer. So first of all, I want to thank you for subscribing to my list. You've asked for more information about the 4% the Success Challenge. What is it? How can it help you? So first of all, I just want to say that this is the exact program that actually made me the entrepreneur, the full-time internet marketer that I'm here today. I'm a 7-figure earner. You can Google me. I'm not going to give you too much information about myself and blow my own trumpet here, but if you Google my name, Paolo Barroso, you can see that I'm a successful internet marketer. I've been doing this for nearly 10 years now, full-time, and making multiple 6 and 7 figures online. And the reason why I'm mentioning all this, it's because it was this very same program, this very same mentor, a guy by the name of Vic Streishaus, as you can see him here on your screen, that actually changed my life. So he was my first mentor that I encountered online because I was spinning my wheels for such a long time, over 10 years online, and I could never make any money. And it wasn't really until I met Vic and I met the 4%, and I went into the same challenge as this one that I'm about to show you guys. I'll give you a brief tour of what you got to get. And this was the exact program that basically made me the man that I am today, or the internet marketer, the successful internet marketer that I'm in today. So without further ado, let me just give you a brief tour of the back office, because I want to show you what kind of knowledge, what kind of steps you got to get if you decide to join the 4%. So first of all, this is an ecosystem where once you log in, you don't have to buy anything else. You don't have to go anywhere. You don't have to invest in further products or programs outside the 4%. You don't have to do that. And to be honest with you, the only thing that I want you to really concentrate on, it's the Success Challenge. And let me show you what the Success Challenge is so you fully understand what you're getting yourself into. So when you log into the 4% group, you hover into all programs, and the only, as you can see, there's a ton of stuff here for you guys to digest, right? But I don't want you to get overwhelmed with all the information here. The only thing really that I want you guys to concentrate on, because it was the very same thing that I did to change my life and become a successful entrepreneur, is this program here called the 4% Challenge. Can you guys see that? The one with this beautiful yacht here in the background. So you click on that, and you, by the way, when you join, you got to get this included. So there are 3 levels with the 4% Challenge. The first level is the 10K challenge, and it teaches you from zero. If you're a complete newbie and you don't even know what internet marketing is and all that, this course is going to teach you step by step, guys. I can't emphasize that enough. It's going to teach you step by step how to go from 0 to 10K, or whatever that figure. It can be even more. It depends, how serious you're going to take this. But if I show you the training, this is going to blow your mind. So basically, for 30 days, if you start today, for the next 30 days, you got to get a video every single day, okay, showing you the steps that you need to take in order to get to the 10K. That's why it's called 10K Challenge. So it's called the 10K Challenge, and it's got 30 videos that you can't open all at once, by the way. They're locked. So you start with day 1. You digest all the material. Let me show you session 1 so you guys can have an idea of what to expect. And the reason why the videos for day 2, day 3 and so forth are locked is so you don't get overwhelmed. Okay, if the videos will be unlocked, people will be jumping ahead on time, and they would basically get overwhelmed and nothing would get done. I hope this makes sense. So with day 1, as you can see, there's a video there to watch, and then there's some action steps there. Another video, there's a little survey there, and then you can go into the next session, which you need to watch. This is a powerful video called The Strangest Secret in the World, which is something that I had to watch every day for 30 days. It completely changed my mind, guys, and my mindset. So this is important. You got to find that in the 10K challenge, there's a lot of emphasis on the mindset, and there's a reason for that. The reason why maybe some of you are spinning your wheels and not seeing any success in anything that you join or anything that you invest, it's mainly because your mindset. And guess what? This program's got you covered, because from day 1, Vic's gotta start teaching you about mindset, okay? And then there's a personal goal card that you need to print. You gotta carry that card with you all the time in your pocket, and you gotta refer back to that card multiple times a day, obviously to influence your subconscious mind to focus towards your goal. And that's basically it, guys. That's all I want to show you for now with the 4%. I don't want you guys to go into the site and then start getting overwhelmed with all the other programs. That's for later on. All I want you guys to do is, when you go into programs, is to basically go into the 4% challenge and stay there for 30 days. And then after the 30 days, obviously there's 2 other levels. There's the 100K, 100,000, and then there's the $1 million challenge as well. But that's for another video. So I want you guys to know that this is going to be a journey, and I don't want you guys to go anywhere. I want you guys to stick with this program and at least make a note of this, guys. At least finish the 10K challenge, which is 30 days. And let me make you a promise here. If you guys do that, by the end of the 30 days, you gotta become a much better marketer with more knowledge than, I don't know, 98% of the people out there on the internet. That I can promise you. And the reason why I can promise you that is because I done it. So I'm not speaking from theory here. I'm speaking from practice, because I done it. And I revise these videos, I watch them, and I'm constantly educating myself to become obviously a better marketer and a better entrepreneur. So I hope this makes sense, guys. I don't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to go straight to the point where you guys need to do once you log into the 4%. I don't want you guys to get overwhelmed with all the other stuff there. There's a lot of knowledge here. As a matter of fact, it's an ecosystem with everything you need to know in order to become a successful entrepreneur. Does that make sense? So with that said, guys, I'll speak to you really soon. There'll be more videos and emails coming your way just to further educate you about the 4%. And I hope you'll be part of our tribe. I hope you'll lock arms with us and learn, and hopefully see you maybe on one of the events, because we do live events as well. So with that said, thanks very much for watching this video, and I'll see you on the inside.